Tosha is a Kashmiri sweet dish, tasty and liked by everyone. Though unknown to a lot, but it's very famous in northern Kashmir, made by kneading half-cooked roti. It's usually a symbol of respect on the occasion of joy or grief and has got religious values. It's usually made by the imam or cleric who is well versed about the religion. So today I'll be showing you how to make it at home. So let's get started. For making tosha, I have taken flour, sweet flour 4 cups, ghee or clarified butter 1 cup, 7 to 8 tablespoons of poppy seeds, sugar 1 cup, or you can adjust according to your taste. Dry fruits, I have taken some coconut scraps and raisins. Dry fruits are optional, you can skip them also. Thing is to knead flour to a dough. I'll be using lukewarm water to knead it. Keep kneading and adding water till you get smooth soft dough. Knead till it's smooth. Once the dough is ready, rub a few drops of oil or ghee on its surface. Cover and let it sit for around 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, shape them into balls, much bigger than the usual roti. Here you can see the size. Now with the rolling pin, shape them flat into rotis, but these should be thick. Meanwhile, heat up the skillet also. Now place the roti on heated up skillet and cook it on medium to high flame. We don't have to cook it fully, just when the bubbles are formed on its surface and brown marks are visible. Now flip and cook it on other side also. So here you can see the thickness of roti. It should be thick and it should not be fully cooked. Now we will cook all other rotis same way. Once all the rotis are done, shift them to a big vessel or a bowl. We will start tearing them up. We don't have to wait for them to cool down. So we have to make them into small pieces. Here again you can see the thickness of roti. It was this thick. So we'll tear them into small pieces, and then we will be adding sugar and keep kneading. Then add ghee and dry fruits. Dry fruits are optional, you can skip them also, but they give a good mouth feel. And keep kneading it with both the hands till they are able to hold a shape. And you can adjust sugar also, we added more sugar. See, here you can see they are able to hold shape now. So now we will shape them into cylindrical rolls. Shape them into cylindrical rolls like this. So here all our toshas are ready. Now we will roll them on poppy seeds like this on all the sides. All our toshas are ready. They are irresistible. You can have them like this, or you can refrigerate them for half an hour and then have them. Give them a try and let me know in comments how they turn. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.